Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show to crop image in Windows 11 using Paint. So first of all, we can go here, and here you can see I have a demo image. So now I want to crop this image. I want to get this one. So let's see how we can do that. Simply you can go and right click, then open with, and here you can see these are the different image editing softwares so that you can use and edit your image free of cost. I want to use this one, Paint, and now you can select the area that you want to crop. So let me select this one. So here you can see this one, zoom in and out features. After that you can select the area that you want to crop. Okay, so let me press Ctrl Z to undo changes. Now simply I can go here and select the area, this one, then go and click on this one, crop button. Now here you can see image is cropped. Now you can go and save your file. So now image is cropped.